Welcome to the Silent Trading channel on Sunday the 10th of May. Today we'll be going through the gold chart to check and see if there are any suitable position to be entering on tomorrow's first candle open, or is there any spot that are worth entering if the chart is showing us certain price action, right? But before we start, please subscribe, like, comment and share if you like this video, and to also support me in my trading journal, right? So today I'm going to be first starting on a 4 hours chart or the 4-hour time frame. Because why? Because 4-hour time frame is the main time frame that I'm using to trade, right? Other time frame I'm only using other time frame, no matter on the lower time frame or the higher time frame, to check and see the true bias of the chart. The higher time frame is to be checked to see the main trend, and the lower time frame to check and see if the noise is telling us otherwise or not, right? Because some of you traders may think that on the lower time frame there are too much noise and should be ignored, right? But no, the lower time frame is always telling us something with its movement, with its price action, right? Because if the lower time frame is going against a higher time frame, it may be telling us something. Or if the lower time frame is going along with the higher time frame, it may also be telling us something. So never ignore every single detail the chart is telling you, be it on the lower time frame, the middle time frame, and the higher time frame, right? Because right now we are using the 4-hour or the H4 to trade. So when we use a H4 to trade, we'll be first going on the upper or the higher time frame, like let's say in the daily time frame. And we see that on the daily time frame there is still no clear bearish price action that is being produced, only a bullish price action that was complete beforehand, right? This bullish price action was complete before, right? And there are still no bearish price action that is being formed. So on the daily time frame, the trend is bullish, correct? And what about on the weekly time frame? The weekly time frame, the trend for me is also bullish. Because why? Because the week's chart has shown a bullish price action being formed and complete over here, right? A price action being formed and complete by pushing up and attacking resistance, and also being able to close above resistance. So this weekly candle is telling us that it has formed a complete bullish price action, right? And once it is complete, it becomes a valid bullish price action or a valid bullish PA, right?